Have you ever thought about how much energy lies around you? In a forest, in the woods, and all the waste you can find? Did you ever wish you could use that energy, instead of carrying uncomfortable gas tanks or trying to ignite a bonfire? It is definitely charming, but it is also smoky and dangerous. Now you can stop dreaming about it, because we made it real. Anki Stove Wild is a revolutionary camp stove, which can run with any kind of dry biomass. All you need is some branches, a small battery, or even a solar panel. What makes all the magic possible is a well-known technology named pyrolysis. But unlike traditional pyrolytic stoves, we found a way to make the process simple, stable, smoke-free, and totally awesome. Take a traditional fire. It burns strongly, but it wastes a lot of energy in smoke, while smoke itself has a lot of energy. What we do is transform all the biomass into energy. This way you get a clean and reliable flame wherever you want and for free. Yes, free energy. I'm talking about a powerful and professional flame you can use to cook for real and grill as a pro. Do you know which is the best part of all this? Using your stove, you're not only saving the environment, all the waste produced by the gas tanks or the production of charcoal, you're also avoiding the production of any pollution responsible for the greenhouse effect. But wait, there's more. What remains inside your stove when the fire is gone is a wonderful biochar, an incredible active charcoal that makes the ground better and more fertile. We designed our stove to be the best companion of your outdoor adventure. It is minimal, it is compact, and all the design features are strictly linked to its operation. We made it in 2 sizes to let you choose between portability and personal use, or base camp and a lot of power.